Hi there, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that certain room or floors at your place where the Wi-Fi signals just disappear? How can this be fixed? Well, the obvious advice is to move your router to a better location, buy a mesh system or a Wi-Fi extender that will amplify and transmit the boosted signals. All are solid options. But before buying a separate Wi-Fi extender, there's one more trick I would like you to try. If you have purchased an Android device in the last 4-5 years, you are in luck. I'm sure you must have used mobile hotspot to share the cellular internet connection to other nearby devices, right? Here's the interesting part. Using the same feature, newer Android devices can also act as an access point or Wi-Fi extender or repeater. Here's how it works. Connect your Android device to a Wi-Fi network. In settings, turn on mobile hotspot. If everything is working right, both Wi-Fi and hotspot features should stay active. If one of them turns off, unfortunately, your device doesn't support this feature. Next step is to place your Android device in a spot where the coverage from Wi-Fi network is good and close enough to the devices you want to connect. Now, on another device, be it a mobile or a computer, instead of connecting to your Wi-Fi network, search for the Android device acting as extender. Connect with your hotspot password and done. I've tested this with few different phones, iPads and computers and it has worked well. The downside when doing this is that there will be some speed drop because the extender is not the original router broadcasting the signal. On 2.4 GHz frequency band, speeds were okay, but on 5 GHz frequency band, it performed way better. I think a lot of people aren't aware about this function, so I hope you learned something new today. If you did, hit the like button and consider checking out my other videos for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week.